Bangalore's Windsor Castle, Bengaluru, India. Presented by Holidays on Shoestrings. Bangalore is a many-faceted city with its multi-layered history. The royal family of Mysore is so entwined with it that the two cannot be spoken of separate of the other. One of the older landmarks is the sprawling Tudor-inspired estate of Bangalore Palace, epitome of majestic beauty. Built in the year 1887 by King Chamaraja Wadiyar, one of South India's most enduring dynasties. Impressed by the Windsor Castle of London during one of his trips to England, he built the Bangalore Palace on similar lines. The architectural style is a mix of Tudor and Scottish Gothic. Some of the defining features of the two-level granite structure includes the fortified towers, the turreted parapets, and the Gothic windows, all quintessential elements of Tudor buildings. Roman arches greet the visitors at the entrance. The facade of the building boasts many different shapes and projections. The vine-covered walls make the palace look like it was lifted out of the English countryside, and it is surrounded by beautiful gardens. By the way, the palace is considered small, only 35 rooms. Once inside, we started with the ballroom, small by palace standards but beautiful, and as the guide informed me, it had seen many a ball and lots of private parties. Yellow color is used profusely and the walls decorated with the coat of arms that was awarded to the Maharaja by the British. This coat of arms includes a two-headed bird, Ganda Berunda, symbolizing immense magical strength in the center. And on either side are mythical creatures with the head of an elephant and the body of a lion, symbolizing power and loyalty. This is repeated in almost all the rooms. The palace features mainly wooden interiors with many physical elements imported from Britain, and the ballroom is no exception. The ceiling is solid teak wood. The Darpa Hall on the first floor is reached by climbing a decorated staircase. The walls along the staircase are adorned with paintings and sculptures. The banisters are made of ornately carved teak wood, and the Darpa Hall has a massive elephant head mounted on it. The elaborate Durbar Hall is a sprawling room where the king used to address the assembly. One side of the hall contains stained glass windows in Gothic style. Pillars and arches dominate the room. Floral motifs, ornate cornices, and patterned walls add to the lavish setting, along with luxurious chandeliers and relief paintings on the ceiling. A screen at one end separates the area where the ladies used to sit and watch the assembly proceedings in relative privacy. Connected to the rest of the building with a walkway, and just beyond the library lies the living quarters of the palace, which reflects a more traditional Hindu style of decor. The palace is home to many renowned 19th and 20th century paintings. There's a large collection of photographs that chronicle the different generations of the Wadiyar dynasty, along with offering a glimpse into the evolution of Bangalore over the last century. The open courtyard of the Maharaja boasts of a granite seat covered with fluorescent blue tiles with Art Deco design, and another similar bench that was used for massages. While the open courtyard of the Maharani features a fountain gifted by the erstwhile Spanish royalty when they visited. The palace is full of elephant trophies, hunting being a favorite pastime of the old Wadiyars. I must confess that the later generations have become ardent conservationists. Apart from the beautiful works of art, the intricate architecture, and the photography collection, there are many more attractions in the palace. A weighing chair for jockeys is one of the unique curiosities in the property. Not to forget the ice box and the coffee machine. A visit to the palace is a step back in time and away from the modern landscape that prevails everywhere else. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and tell your friends about it.